Good morning, students. In the last video, we have already seen our fifth lesson, that is interrogative sentence. Now we are going to see our new lesson, that is lesson number 6, and that is negative sentence. What is meant by negative sentence, that we have to see in this lesson. Students, for that, to understand what is meant by negative sentence, we have to see some examples. Read the following sentences. The first sentence is Sita is very happy. This is the general sentence. Sita is very happy. The another sentence is Rita is ill. The third sentence is that is given in the textbook. I have some food for the journey. These sentences are positive sentence. Which sentence are positive sentence? Sita is very happy. Rita is ill. And I have some food for the journey. These types of sentences are positive sentence. Now read the following sentence. If we convert this sentence into negative sentence, negative means there is negation in that sentence. Now read the following sentence. First sentence, what is our first sentence? Sita is very happy. Now this sentence is Sita is not very happy. The second sentence, Rita is ill. The second sentence of this sentence is Rita is not ill. The third one is I have some food for the journey. The third sentence is I have no food for the journey. These sentences are negative sentences. What these sentences can show? In that sentences, which words are increased? The words not and no are increased. Means the word in which or the sentence in which not, no one, no, these words are included, then these sentences are known as negative sentences. And the sentences, if there is no any type of no one, need, nobody, not and no are included, they are known as positive sentences. So these are negative sentences. One example is given here, students. Sita is very happy. That is the positive sentence. And Sita is not very happy means we include this not word in this sentence. Means if there is not, then it is negative sentence. The above sentence is positive, while the negative, the below sentence, that is negative sentence. These sentences are negative sentence because they have the word not or no. Means then what is the definition of negative sentence? Students, listen that. A negative sentence is a sentence that has a not or no in it. A negative sentence is a sentence that has a not or no in that particular sentence. That is the definition of negative sentence. Means students, simply if you understand, if there is no is the word, no or not is the word that are included in any sentence, then that sentences are known as negative sentence. Now we will see in the next point, positive of not. In a sentence, when the verb consists of a single word, we add no or not after the word. For example, one positive sentence is given, she is sad. And what is the negative of this sentence? She is not sad. If we add the word not in the sentence, then that word or that sentence becomes negative. She is sad, she is not sad. In the another example, she has money, that is the positive sentence. But she has no money, that is the negative sentence. Means in sentence where verbs are made up of two or more words, we put not after the first word to make the sentence negative. Student, listen. If there is one verb, she is sad. Here is only one verb, that is. Then we write that not after is. She is not sad. But what is happening here? Verbs are made up of two or more words. We put not after the first word to make the sentence negative. Now listen students, one sentence is given, that is positive sentence is given. She is singing. She is singing. What is the answer of this question? She is not singing. That is the negative. Means, first of all, we have to write she is. And after the first verb, we have to write not before the second verb. Means, we have to write the not between first verb and second verb. That is important. To make an imperative sentence negative, we put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence. For example, students, come inside. When we enter the class, teacher tells us that come inside. Sometimes, if we do any type of mistake, then our teacher will say, don't come inside. You stay there. Means, come inside is the positive sentence. But don't come inside, it is the negative sentence. Another example, clap your hands, that is positive sentence. And don't clap your hands, that is negative sentence. Now students, we will revise some. Now listen what we have learned from this lesson. Negative sentence have no or not in them. Means negative sentence include no and not. To make negative sentence, we write not after the verb when the verb has am, are, is. When there is the verb am, is, are, then we will write not after these words. And not after the first word when the verb has more than one word. If there are two words are there, then we write not between the first verb and the second verb. And if we have to use the don't before the sentence when it is an imperative sentence. Suppose the example, open the door. Here is no do or no anything is given. But what is the answer or what is the negative sentence of this? Open the door, don't open the door. We have to add this don't to make this sentence negative. So student, like this, we have studied this lesson. Now we will see about the exercise. Change the given sentence into negative sentences. That I am taking oral, and after finishing this lesson, I will send the worksheet to you. Listen student, the jungle was very dense. What is the answer? The jungle was not very dense. The negative sentence of this sentence is, we have to make this sentence negative. The jungle was very dense. The jungle was not very dense. She has gone to the market. She has not gone to the market. Jyoti is happy with her friends. Jyoti is not happy with her friends, her new friends. He has kept his promise. He has not kept his promise. Play in the garden. Don't play in the garden. I am satisfied with your work. I am not satisfied with your work. Read slowly. Don't read slowly. Kanta is talking in class. Kanta is not talking in class. Like this, we have to solve these answers. So students, in this way, we have completed our 6th lesson, that is negative sentence. That's all for today students.